I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow up my life. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, you, you. Wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong, I don't care. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy, then let's be happy. Yeah, me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. It stays between me and you, you, you.
Well, I just finished picking up and dusting off a few things around the house. I'm actually getting ready to go ahead and color my hair. I wasn't going to do it at first, but I was going to wait a few days, but I didn't. I'm actually putting this IQ Natural Jamaican Black Castor Oil on my scalp and around my edges, my top of my ears. I always put some kind of oil, either coconut oil or something like that, in order to not over process my hair and not to irritate my skin. So I'm gonna get in here and do that. I'm not taking y'all with me because y'all have seen me color my hair time and time again. If you want to see me color my hair, check out one of the videos like in the iCards. Okay, so I'm not taking y'all with me today. So get over it. Don't cry, don't pout, all of that. Don't do that. Don't do that. So let me get that done and I'll be back. I might do some makeup today, who knows. And I'll see y'all when I finish that up. She back. She better. Oh yeah, I'm here for sure. Hey y'all, I'm back. I got the hair all colored, washed, showered, all that good stuff. All of that good stuff. Y'all did a little makeup, just a little bit. You know, just a little bit. I hate, well, I can't say I hate my new camera. I love my new camera. But because the little monitor, the screen is over here to the right, I have a tendency to look over here. So I be looking crazy. I be looking cockeyed, okay? Anyway, I'm not, okay? I'm not, so don't go spreading that rumor that I'm cockeyed. Y'all, do y'all remember the brand Coastal Scents? Coastal Scents. I used to get so much stuff from them when I first really started building my makeup collection. But y'all, you know, they are out of business. They are gone. And I have all these single shadows. I think that's a blush right there. That's a blush right there. Yeah, I think they are. I don't know. I can't remember. But y'all, I'm just shocked that they are like gone. That's crazy. And my sinuses were a little bit crunk today, or allergies and all of that. So, you know, I have a tendency to be a cry baby. So I've already eaten lunch earlier. I had a barbecue shoulder sandwich. It was delicious. It was good. Mikey was already out earlier, which he's already, you know, he's a man. He's retired, but, you know, he's always on the go. Like, always on the go. But anywho, y'all, I'm just about to, I don't know, wind this thing down. Y'all, I ain't talking about nothing. I ain't talking about nothing. I was looking over there at my little bags I take on the road, and I need to resort some things. Can I show y'all what I got over there? I don't know how well the lighting is over here, but y'all, these are my like travel bags. I originally got this one, and she is so cute. I think this looks quite, I don't know, not expensive, but like a super quality bag, which it wasn't dirt cheap or nothing. It was like 60 bucks nearly on Amazon, and I just put this on there. That didn't go, but this little tassel came on it. But it's lined, and this is what I actually use. I always have to have a bag even on the stage. You know, when I make those millions and they give me my money, I put it in here. Psych. Anyway, now I put all like my extra water or cloth and my equipment like mouthpieces, extra reeds, neck straps, etc. Whatever I need to go on the stage. This is what I was using. This one here. And as you see, I love this quilted fabric. Y'all, this is actually like a toiletry organizer for your suitcase or your makeup, but I use it as a purse because I love it on a day-to-day basis. I stick my keys right here. It has little compartments, and I put all of my, you know, keys, well, not keys, well, my lipstick, my wallet, etc. in here. And I thought this was so cute, and Mike said, oh, that looks kind of snazzy, I like that. But of course I put one of those little keychain things on here too. So anyway, and then I said, well, I need another one of the big weekender bags. Guess what I did? I ordered another one, but it came huge. This one is bigger than the other one. Oh my gosh. So this one I will probably put, I don't know, I'm going to switch everything out. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use for what at this point, but that's that. Anywho. So what I'm going to do next, I don't know. But right now, I'm going to catch y'all in a minute.